What's up, guys? Maritime Spook here, and beyond excited about something right here, guys. And actually, I'm gonna go and do an unpackaging, I guess you would say, on something that is, in my estimation, probably one of the best knife makers in Canada right at the moment. And he's just a young man, and it's one of those things, guys, where, just like a really good basketball player, you see them when they're young and they're really good, and then you can expect when they're in their prime. So, I mean, Sam from Virtus Knives, which is a knife company I'm about to show you the knife from, he's not even in his prime yet, and he's a hell of a knife maker, guys. But very, very cool how this is packaged. First thing I want to show you here, guys, is I got this in it, the package with it. And it's freezing rain outside, guys. That's why I'm not out doing too much. I wanted to go out and have a fire and cook up some stuff, but we're getting freezing rain again. So I figured I'd just do this unpackaging in the garage, and then we'll get out and use the knife and go from there, do some Instagram and many other things. But you can see Sam's Virtus logo. And this is very cool because of some of the rings I have. People had asked me if that's what I had the rings made that way for, and I hadn't, but I actually talked to the fella who had made the rings about making a ring for this, to make this type of thing. So this is one of his stamps and wax, and it's so beautiful. I almost don't want to open it, but we're going to open it because we got a knife to open, and we'll go from there. So I'm going to try not to ruin it because I really like the stamp. But I ripped the pack. There we go. Not too bad. There. So, as I said, this is how this came in the mail. Certificate of authenticity. The Terra, and I actually am not going to read the rest of it because I don't know which one this is. I know the model, but I don't know the color or anything, so you are actually seeing it as I do. So I just read the top of it. It's called the Terra model, Terra. And this is how it came packaged, guys, with a bunch of Sam's business cards in here, which is awesome because I can give those out to people and keep a couple for myself, but obviously give them out. And so if you guys want one, just let me know. Tied off here, very cool. And like I said, guys, I made it a point not to look, so you're going to see this when I see it. So that is tied, but I'm going to pull it through here. Sam is a heck of a knot maker too. There we go. Maker too. Got some nice jute twine, and this you can actually use for fire start as well, and I will do that, guys, because I like recycling things into other things. So we got ourselves a nice ball of jute twine. And as I said, you guys are seeing this the same time I am, because as I said, I know the model, do not know the handle. I just briefly looked at the certificate of authenticity just to see the name and have a look at it. Very nicely packaged, and it was in a package as well too, guys, like a Canada Post package. But I can feel that it's a Kydex sheath, which is awesome. Whoa, guys. Sam. Jeez, guys. Okay, so let's just have a look at the sheath. You can see that beautiful handle. And obviously we're going to have to get outside too, guys, to do this more justice when it's not freezing raining out. But Sam does beautiful Kydex sheaths. He has a tech lock on this one, which is awesome. My favorite way to attach anything to a belt for Kydex. And also a matching beautiful ferrocerium rod. Wow, was that ever nice. Man, oh man. Intention's beautiful, guys. Holy crapola, that's nice. That's a beautiful Kydex sheath, guys, let alone the knife. That is a beautiful sheath, guys. Wow. All I can say, guys, is wow. It takes a lot for me to get. Man. Takes a lot for me to be speechless, guys, but that is beautiful. Coke bottle almost handles. Beautiful pins. Man, is that ever beautiful, guys. Okay, so certificate of authenticity. It's the Terra model in 01 steel, blue maple burl, and it was made just 3 days ago. Or the date was sent, I guess, sorry, probably just sent 3 days ago. Wow. That is beautiful, Sam. That is beautiful. In hand, guys. Holy, that's nice in hand. One thing, guys, with me is I have been blessed to be able to handle and own and try out dozens, guys, of knives, probably hundreds even. And there's been a couple handfuls of them that were just like, this guy's got it right. And this one right off the bat, guys, just the way it's made and just that handle on that. I mean, you've got just wicked grip on that, guys. And it's almost like a broomsticky type handle with Coke bottle going on, but it's very, very comfortable. That blue maple. It's got hints of blue, guys. We're gonna, like I said, this is just this unboxing, but I'm gonna have to get out, and very soon. I think I'll even just shoot it later if the rain lets up, and get outside with it and do a few things with it to show you. Sam's logo there. Mirror polished edge, guys. Jeepers creepers. Is this ever beautiful? But like I said, guys, I'll have to get it out and show you closer up outside a little bit better when it's not raining. Just to handle how beautiful it is. But man, is that ever nice. Astoundingly nice. Ferrocerium rod, obviously it's matching, which I just love. And what I'll do with this, guys, is I could either make up a piece, Sam, I believe you can actually get it made on the sheath, but actually what I like to do is and this is what I like to do anyway, is I'll get a piece of leather or a good piece of paracord, and when I'm using the knife, which I'm sure I'll use quite a bit, I will hang this around my neck. So it's a matching rod, and it's good for, like I said, guys, I do stuff outdoors, but I do pictures, and I do pictures for even some companies now, which is blessed to do that. So it's good to have things matching. So I'll get, wow, that's cool actually. Look at this, guys. I didn't even notice that. It's not just flat at the top, it's like a top. Like a spinner type top. And that's what I like about his stuff, guys. I've been a fan, not just somebody that likes his work. I've been a fan of his knife making. Since they came out, since I've been, the first time I ever saw any of his work. And he's always thought outside the box for his designs and his use of materials as well. Nothing's gaudy, everything goes together perfectly, guys. I love how it's a Kydex sheath because that actually makes it so, like your weather and different things like that. When you're out in the weather, or if you're out even like a day like today, it's raining or anything like that, it just makes it for a better setup. So I mean, I don't have to worry about this being tucked inside my jacket or anything like that. I can just throw it on my belt and just not worry about it. And I like that. But what a beautiful package, guys. What a beautiful package. I'm going to show you a card of Sam's. Virtus knives. With Sam's name, his email, everything on there. And like I said, there'll be a link in the description to Sam's Instagram as well as his website. So get on over there. He has other knives for sale. This model, as I said, is called the Terra. Terra. And, you know, if you get one of these knives, I'm sure you'll be in Sam's Terra squad. That's what I kind of made a joke of, guys. I'm really silly when it comes to playing on words. And there was a 90s rap group called the Terra Squad, and that's one of the first things that popped in my mind when he said that. But this is just immaculate, guys. Sam makes some 90-degree spines as well, and that's very, very sharp for throwing your sparks. It's a 3/32, which I love. I like thinner knives, guys. I've never been one to want a thick knife. And this is 3/32, so it's great. 01 tool steel, 4-inch blade, and a 4 5/8, I believe, handle. And we'll get into more. This was just this unboxing, guys. And so anyway, guys, I'm going to put a link in the description to Sam's website, how to get a hold of him. If you pick something up from him, it's once again one of these knife makers. You're getting an heirloom thing, heirloom product knife that you can pass on to your family, generations, and enjoy having all the time. And also, you're going to have a knife that, you know, is super capable for anything you're going to be doing, we'll say. So, and he's did a lot of testing on this himself. And these models, guys, these weren't just slapped together. He has reasons for everything, and we'll get into that more in other videos. But, geez, guys, that's beautiful. So, bear with me, guys. We'll get out and when it's better weather very soon. Maybe even later today if it does clear up. I'm not sure. And we'll get out and get some better shots of this. I know in the barn it isn't the best lighting on the planet, but I just really want to show you how it came in the package. So, beautiful, guys. Heirloom quality Bushcraft knife by Sam from Virtus Knives. So, anyway, guys, stay safe and stay tuned. You'll see another Virtus knife video coming down the pike very soon. And stay tuned on Instagram because I'm going to try to get out even if it is raining and get a few shots of it here in a few minutes. So anyway, guys, stay safe. Spook signing out. Thank you very much, Sam. And stay tuned too, buddy, because you're going to get lots of use out of this. Thank you, man.